Anybody here? Hello? Hello? Larry? Brian? Adam? Anybody here? I got another strange letter for you here. Guys? Nathan, you here? Well, since you're not here, I guess this is good as anything. Bye, guys.